Hi friends, I am your Mahajit. Today we are going to unbox this video. Our channel name is Mahajit Making Future. Making Future means itself science. Now today we are not going to see science. For me, my Singapandi Chitappa did bought me from Singapore like a watch. It is looking very costly and it is very nice. I am very excited to open this. It's very wow. And we will see the futures. For me, full my Pandit Chitappa did put Mahi and my initial my name. This is wireless charging and smartwatch. H27 brand. It's a AWEI brand है for all kinds of music. Climate notice, remote camera. These all features. Highly sensitive mic, step count, music control, call reminding, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, full screen touch, IP68 waterproof, sports modes. Here's some they given for scan, and here's some more features they shown. Heart rate monitoring, AMOLED screen, call reminding, IP68 waterproof, support Play. I'm very excited to open this one. I'm going to open this. Friends, the scissor will not cut panam. Friends, we cannot put scissor and open this one. Sorry friends, I speak in Tamil. I'm very excited to open this. Wow! This is a smartwatch. Wow, it's so softy. See friends, light also blinking. Wow, it's new type of charger friends. Wow, we should place the watch this way inside this. This is a charger we can put adapter in. Don't give adapter. They give you a spare for strap. Already they put it. That's it. It's here. I'm putting this watch and showing. Already having a watch. I'm showing here. Please tell in comments how it's looking for me. For me, this color is best or this color is best. Please tell. And if you like the channel, please like it. And also lovable to my Chitappa. He's very lovely. And if you want to share to your friends and family members, please share the video. Please tell that your Chitappa are buying this one and giving for you. Comment it and subscribe the channel. Please did not move or buy this one to comment it. Bye friends. Thank you for the watching video.